the invisible army that never surrenders. I am not born of laziness, but forged from restless purpose. I move in shadows beneath your feet, a whisper of strength the world forgets to see. Alone, I am a grain of dust. Together, we become an earthquake, a rising tide of silent footsteps, an army sewn from unity's thread. Storms do not delay us. Sunshine does not distract us. The seasons bow to our discipline. Our work is a song that never sleeps. We do not fear giants. We do not kneel before threats. Whatever dares to challenge us becomes fuel for our unbroken march. We are many hearts beating one rhythm, many bodies carrying one destiny. Strength is not our size, it is our togetherness. Small as a breath, mighty as a legion, quiet as dust, powerful as thunder when united. So tell me, what unseen warrior speaks through these tiny footsteps? Who am I? If this message inspires you, kindly follow our page, like, comment, and share to spread more light and inspiration. Thank you for being part of this journey.